Hi,
Hi.
Tashidele.
Tashidele.
Very nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to
And
meet you.
please, can you introduce by yourself for my YouTube families?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
My name is Zaza, and I grew up in Amsterdam.
Okay.
And I was dancing here today
Okay.
with all of you.
Yeah. Because you dance very well, and maybe many people curious about you. Like, how did you learn dance from and here or specific on any like another place? Yes.
Yeah, I actually learned through YouTube
Okay.
because I saw a lot of dancing videos.
Yes.
I saw them from Paris, from Toronto, from New York, and I saw a lot of girls making the videos. So I really enjoyed watching them, and then I just wanted to try it out and learn it too. So I was just learning on my phone.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And how did you interested like specific Tibetan dance?
I think it's very beautiful,
Okay.
and it's also a form of meditation.
Yes.
And yeah, I think it's very harmonious and peaceful, and I love that it's very elegant and very energetic as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's why you just interested, right? You more focus on it, right? Okay. So how long have you been like study learn dance?
The first time I saw a video on YouTube was 1 year ago,
Okay. Yes.
and then in the beginning it looked very difficult to me with
Yeah.
all the arm work.
Yeah.
So I think like about half a year now I'm trying to learn on the YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah.
So very warm welcome to here, Netherlands.
Yeah, thank you.
Behalf of our captain of the Goje, Laga Goje. Behalf of all of them, I'm very warm welcome.
Oh,
And maybe you came here. Maybe it's the third or fourth week.
I think the fourth
Week. Yeah. Okay. So then before that you met somewhere here like maybe SFT of
Yeah,
Netherlands, right?
yeah. They
Okay.
told me through SFT
Okay.
that every Wednesday you're dancing.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay. Then very warm welcome. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
So then you like specific dance or any other culture, our like Tibetan culture? Because I saw you so many chupa you have
Yeah.
that you have even this and so many different jewelries as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, earrings like yeah. So why did you buy this? Where? I mean,
In Nepal.
in Nepal.
Yeah.
Okay.
I bought them there.
Okay.
And I also sometimes, some of the things I've bought online
Okay.
from
Yes.
small shop,
Wow.
either from India or Nepal, just the small web shops on Instagram.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's very nice. And last time we talked about when you went Nepal and you like work for a couple of months for voluntary teachers in the monastery,
Oh,
right?
Yeah, yeah.
Last time we talking a little bit conversation on it. So can you a little bit talking about it?
Yeah, I went to Nepal
Yeah.
to.
First time maybe you visit or traveling or through.
No, I just finished my first study, and then I wanted to learn more about the Tibetan Buddhism, and then I went to Nepal to learn more. So I stayed in the monastery, and there I could also teach and also work with the children, and yes.
Okay.
It was a very, very good experience.
Okay. Yes.
And then I continued my learning at home.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, and I think that's for all today.
Yeah,
so
thank you so
for
much.
give opportunity, and yeah, thank you, and see you next time.
Yeah, thank you for everything.
Yeah,
See you
thank
next time.
See you next time. Thank you.
지주로 뒤와 가위 돈다 부쇼 Nani maja sato jang chung so 주군이의 조리소 내가 바오로 그래서 조만한 수심바 달라서 너다 조일 집밤으로 이고일라 제제 유고율라 딘딘 초토나 지고도 조조 이고일라 예나라 제제 용고율라 라 딘딘
Kula